Ailerons, elevator,
My goodness.
and rudder, and the machine guns are flashing, like sequencing, flashing lights. Isn't that pretty?
Here, let me see if I can get
Get a shot with the lights. Okay, I'll tell you when. Ready? Ready, go. That should work. Ready, go.
Yep,
Your time. And this Corsair, I spent a lot of work on the design, and I'll show you how the other one flies. That's when I fly for a living. I fly for Piedmont, the Dash 8. I'm sure you see a lot of those things going around.
That, yeah.
Yeah, for Piedmont there. We're getting rid of them all. We're phasing them out. Oh yeah.
You gotta be quick.
It flies fast, it flies slow. I'll slow it down here so you can see how slow it flies. I'll just do some flybys.
Okay, I'll put it back together. Just found the text it.
Into the bank.
All right. Thank you. It's a plane, dumbass.
Wow. Like a hummingbird.
Yeah. It's just fun.
Yeah.
People look at these little things like that. I mean, I fly them indoors too, but they can fly outdoors in the wind or indoors.
Huh.
And some of them I can fly right in my living room. Yeah, just as much fun as the big ones. I mean, I fly some big stuff too. But it's fun just to do some flybys. The cool thing is, if you hit somebody or hurt, you can't hurt anybody. You can't really hurt the plane even if you crash it because it's so light.
Yeah.
I mean, you may break the prop or the canopy or something. But flight time's about 5 minutes.
How slow will it? Get down to.
Let's see how slow I can get it going. That's about it in the wind. Yeah, got too slow. Stall it out.